Hi and welcome back to another video. In this session we're going to be looking at matrices, adding them and subtracting them. So here we've got a 2 by 2 matrix. We have two of them in fact. So we've got matrix A, which has 2 rows, 2 columns, and matrix B again has 2 rows, 2 columns. So what is the answer to A plus B? Matrices, how they work by adding them, we take the first index, which is index 1 of row 1, column 1, and we add it to the matrix B, index 1, row 1, column 1. So the top left, which is 1, 1, that's position 1, 1, gets added to position 1, 1. The same thing happens to 4, so that's the second column, first row still, gets added to the second column, which is but still the first row. And then we repeat the same thing, whereas the bottom gets added to the bottom first element, and then the second gets added to the second. So what does that actually look like? So A plus B is going to equal our final matrix, which is 3 plus 1. That's going to be our first index. Then we've got 4 plus 9, and then we've got 8 plus 12, and then we've got 2 plus 7. So what does that equal? We've got 3 plus 4, which is, 3 plus 1, which is 4, 4 plus 9, which is 13, we've got 8 plus 12, which is 20, and then we've got 2 plus 7, which is 9. So that's our final answer for adding them. So what if we take them away? A minus B. That's going to be the same procedure, but minusing as we go through. So it's going to be 3 minus 1 for the first index. We've got 4 minus 9 for the second. We've got 8 minus 12. And then for lastly, we've got 2 minus 7. And that's going to equal, for the first index, that's going to equal 2. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. 8 minus 12 is minus 4. And 2 minus 7 is minus 5. So here's our final answer. So let's step this up with a 3 by 3 matrix. Welcome back to another question. So we got our first matrix A, which is 3 by 3, and we got our second matrix 3 by 3. Now, I must mention, to add matrices, they must be the same size. So the rows and columns of A and B need to be identical. So we've got 3 rows, 3 columns for each of the matrices. Now, we can't have a 2 by 3 matrix adding to a 3 by 3. It's impossible. We need them to be the same size. So as we've established this, we repeat the same thing. A plus B is equal to each element. So the first one, which is 1, 1, gets added to 1, 1 of B. 1, 2 gets added to 1, 2. And then so on. We repeat it for each index. So AB is going to look something like this. 3 plus 2. Then we've got 3 plus minus 2, which is a minus 2. And then we're going to have 4 plus minus 3, which is just 4 minus 3. And then we've got 5 plus 5. We've got 6 plus 4. 7 plus 3. 8 plus 1. 5 plus 3. And 11 plus 2. So that is going to equal 3 plus 2, which is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. And then we've got 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. And we've got 7 plus 3, which is 10. 8 plus 1 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. And 11 plus 2 is 13. Now, let's do the same thing, but minusing A and B. So that's going to equal 2 minus 3. 3 minus minus 2, which is a plus 2. Then we've got 4 minus minus 3, which again is a plus 3. We've got 5 minus 5. 6 minus 4. 7 minus 3. And we've got 8 minus 1. 5 minus 3. And then 11 minus 2. So what does that all equal? Our first index is minus 1. Then we've got 2 plus 3 plus 2 is 5, 4 plus 3 is 7, then we've got 5 minus 5, which is 0, 6 minus 4, which is 2, 7 minus 3 is 4, 8 minus 1 is 7, 5 minus 3 is 2, 11 minus 2 is 9. So here's your final answer. So hopefully that's been clear. If you've enjoyed the video, please do subscribe, please do smash the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.